Pass my gloves there.
Yep. Chokes on?
Yep. How much is it?
At idling, you're at 85. Whenever you blast it, it goes up to like 98.
There you go.
90. The most it went up to was 101.
Oh, cool.
But you had to go up. It wasn't all the time. It was just every once in a while.
So this bike is good. Now let's see if you can race. Rev it up. Idle, idle.
What was it?
So yours is at when you idle, it like fluctuates between 84 to 90.
Okay.
But usually it's like 85 or 86. And when you rev it up, once it went up to like 105, but usually it's like 98 or 99. And occasionally it goes to like 102 or 103. But just one time it went up to 105. Okay. So I think you're good too. Yeah.